Good afternoon, students. In this session, we are going to learn how to configure springs in NetBeans IDE. That is, how can we configure the springs without using Maven or without using dependency injection in NetBeans IDE. So, this is my NetBeans IDE. So, in this, I am going to select an option called New Project and I am going to select called Java Application. So, here I am making my main class name as Spring Demo. Spring Demo. So now I'm going to select an option called Finish. So here you can clearly see that a Java application was created along with the Spring Demo.java. Now my code is already written. I will just make a copy of this one so that it will be very easy. Now, so here. Now I'm going to add this one. Here I have added my application name, that is org.springframework.context.application context package, and along with org.springframework.context.application annotation config application context. So these two packages are going to be added. Now along with my class I have going to create two classes. The first class is application context, which was predefined, and the second class is a user defined class. Let it be the class name as power. So for this, in order to remove the errors, I am going to add the library. So for this, right click on my application, go to the option called properties and select an option called library and add the library a Spring Framework 4.0.1. Click on OK. So the errors will be rectified. Now I am going to select two files, that is two Java classes. The first one is app config. So I am going to save this one. So the code has already written. So what contains the app config? So in the app config, I am going to configure the Spring file. So here, wait. Yeah. So here I am going to configure my Spring application. So here I am going to call my package, that is Java application 12, along with the app config file. So in this also I am going to add that context.annotation for both component scan as well as configuration also. Now I am going to add my another file, that is another Java class. Let it be my class name as Pawan, and I am going to select an option called finish. So in this I am going to create my method. So let it be my method name as show. So here I am going to make my method name as show. So here I am going to return a message called hello world. So whenever we are going to call these two components scan as well as configuration, all the jar files of the springs are going to be downloaded by default. So here I am going to select an option called run, so that here you can clearly see that the build successful and hello world message was displayed. When I am going to select an option called library, all the Spring Framework libraries are going to be installed. So in this way, we can configure the springs in NetBeans IDE. Thank you.